So, first job in the house is going to be pulling down this fiberboard ceiling covering in the cellar to see what state the joists are above. This is a gas pipe though, which is not supported properly, so we're going to have to make sure we're careful around that. So without further ado, I'm going to pull down the ceiling. The goal here being to expose what's underneath and expose the frame of the house. So that's going to be exposing the joists, exposing the walls, and also pulling out the innards of the light well to see what's going on, to give us a better idea of what we're going into, what we need to do to move the process forward. So what there is to pull down, we've got fiberboard, which then had battens, and then a lath and plaster ceiling. The lath and plaster ceiling is the main reason I'm wearing a dust mask and glasses, because that's a lot of dust getting into the air. There's a lot of little bits of lath and plaster, bits of lime plaster, flying around that could go in my eye, and it's not very pleasant. And once I've pulled all that down, I'm exposing the joists, and so I'm going to leave you to enjoy the music, which is Me the Mountain, just some copyright free music, because this is just for funsies, and watch me destroy the surface coverings in my cellar. So at this point, I've exposed all the fabric of the building, the walls and joists. I've also gotten rid of all the waste from the cellar. The main issues are the timber supporting the lounge floor, the light well, and the hole in the hall floor. To deal with the rotten timber supporting the lounge floor, I've temporarily propped the joist with a pair of acros. The long-term solution will be to replace the timber with a galvanised steel. The light well I intend to bring back into service, installing a UPVC window in the stone casement in the cellar, and another, probably timber-framed glass panel above. Finally, the hole in the hall floor. I've removed the loose concrete and tiles, making sure to save the tiles. This then allowed me to temporarily reattach the supporting timbers that should prevent the hole getting worse until I can attempt to restore the original tile floor. For that repair, I plan to replace a lot of the timber at the point of failure, including the supporting member with a concrete lintel. For now, that's low on my list of priorities. So until next time, when I move to the top of the house and start pulling that back to brick, this has been the house that Joe built.